Each new year is like a blank canvas. Today I am painting my Novoborsho with lots of color, lots of culture. This is not just a painting, it is a fresh start for me to realize where I come from. Yes, I am a Bengali girl, or আমি একজন বাঙালি. Growing up with Rabindranath culture, you know, Kobi Guru, our Bengalis emotions, his music, poems, যেগুলো আমাদের বাঙালির মন প্রাণ সব কিছু ছুঁয়ে যায়. Maybe that's why no matter how we far go, a part of us always stays here. And I feel proud, very proud to be a Bengali. Because Bengali is not just a language, it's a part of who I am. শুভ নববর্ষ everyone.